This is the GHIRARDELli semi-sweet chocolate. And I just had to show you, first of all, it is just a regular chip size. But I got these for a trail mix for myself because I deserve really high quality chocolate. The really cool thing about these, usually when you get semi-sweet chocolate, it has kind of a, I don't know, an unpleasant crunch to it, I guess, break. But these, because it's the higher quality chocolate, it has kind of a creamy taste to it when you eat it. And I think it's perfect for a trail mix. So that's what I'm going to be using them for. And I hide these for my children and only use them for my own personal trail mix.
Yeah. Our kids don't like dark chocolate, but they like this because it almost tastes like milk chocolate, even though it has the dark flavor.
Yeah, high quality chocolate is the way to go. I don't know if I use just cheaper chocolate for baking, but I use this for like trail mixes and stuff where you're really going to be tasting every bite. So they're delicious.